Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Bagi satu kan? Okay, how many? 3, 6, 9. 15. Betul. 3, 6, 9, 12. 13, 14. Lagi satu. Ini boleh berdua. Sini. This one put 2. Okay, keluar. Kau tak itu pun kena buat. Kalau 4 cukup kot. Boleh. Di tengah ni boleh bubur. One more. 6. Jangan rapat ni. Ini boleh rapat.
Oh, kawan tu nak mengelap ni pergi rapatnya.
Tu nanti bagi susun nak tengok besok bila hamba keluar pinggan tu, hamba pun macam tu. Faham? Okay, I'm preparing for Monday because tomorrow is our off day. Monday we got occasion, somebody booking for function 15%. So I bring out all my palace, my Noritake, my China plate. Okay. They want to make a farewell occasion. Shafi pretending to be a king. The customer order a chicken grill. This is for chicken grill. And then they also order for mushroom soup, spaghetti, and they are going to bring their own cake. Here we are going to put jelly. This one is a spring roll, and they want ice punch tea and hot tea. Yeah. If you all ask me how do I design this, because I work in the palace before, I worked in the former Prime Minister house before. So my experience. Allah, takut sangat. Okay. As what customer order, inside here is a tea. Okay. We got cake, we got spring roll, and of course a beautiful jelly. We got spaghetti, bread to eat with a mushroom soup, all was decorated by me. Jamil Kucing TV. Tapi saya kalau tanya saya kenapa tak ke TikTok, TikTok tak bagi banyak duit. Sila. Terima kasih. First time, silakan.
First time. Review.